Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Tutorial and Review. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with Gemini's Flash Image Editor. So this is one of the most popular image editors and image creators out there right now because it is an image tool that is very easy to use, it's very quick, it provides you with pretty decent results, and it's not as expensive as some of the other AI image tools. So to get started with the AI image editor, simply head on over to gemini.google.com and you're going to see Gemini selected on the top left. So we have Gemini 2.5 Flash selected. Now I am already logged on to my Google account. You can see on the top right, this is my Google account. If you're not logged into Google, you can just log on. And if you don't have one, you can simply log in via your email address. From there, you're just going to click on Tools. And once you click on Tools over here, you're going to click on Create Images. Then you're going to proceed with describing your image. So what type of image you want to create. Let's say I want to create a beautiful scene of a sunset and a house in the mountains. And just like so, once I have proceeded with my request, Gemini 2.5 will start generating my image, and I'm just gonna wait a few seconds and wait for it to be completed. And this is the really nice part about using Gemini, is that your imagination is the limit. Whatever it generates is not what you had in mind. You can add more details to your prompt, be more specific. So this is what it has created. This is a beautiful scene of a house in the mountains and it's the sunset. This is a pretty nice image and I can further proceed. So if I want to add two people walking on the pathway of this house, and then I have added my second prompt over here. And now Gemini or Nano Banana, which is the actual tool of the AI image generator, is going to add those two people. So it has created those two people. Now, this is the image that they have generated and I'm editing. If I want to upload any of my own images, I can click on Add Files and then click on Upload Files. Once I click on upload files, I can upload any of my own files. So I will take a few examples. I'm uploading this image that I have previously created, and I'll just open this image and show it to you guys. So this is a woman drinking coffee. Instead, I'm going to select the tools for create image, and I'm going to ask it to make the woman face the camera and smile. I'm just going to leave it at that. Face the camera and smile. So now it's going to replace the coffee mug maybe and then place it on the table or something along those lines. I can be more specific with exactly which changes I want. But you guys can see it kept the coffee mug in hand, but the woman is now looking at the camera and smiling. And this is such a beautiful edit. So now I can just download this. Everything else is consistent. And just like so, I can further proceed. Now, this is great for other use cases as well. If you want to remove backgrounds or if you want to remove any people or objects in an image, you can do that as well. So if I want, I can ask it to remove the people in the background. And now it will remove the people in the background. And there are other use cases. If you want a complete white background for product photography, you can do that as well. You can also restore old photos and colorize them. So it removed the barista, but it did not remove these two people, so I can specify to remove them as well. You can also use this for thumbnail creation. So I want to use this woman's face and create a thumbnail for YouTube video titled How or Coffee 101. And just like so, it will proceed with creating my thumbnail. Now, I'm unable to use the user provided image for the video thumbnail. I can generate a new image for that. I don't want to create a new image, so I'm going to leave it at that. And there are several different business use cases for Nano Banana or Gemini's AI tool. And if you want to use this separately, you can also use Nano Banana directly on nanobanana.ai, from where you can generate your own images and purchase credits. Now, when you're using on Gemini, you're going to be able to use this for free. I'm going to ask it to generate a new one. And then after that, we can proceed with using this, but we are using this with Gemini 2.5 Flash. However, if you want the full capabilities of image creation, image editing, and much more, then what I recommend is that you can go into Nano and then purchase one of their credit packs or subscriptions. You can use it on completely for free on Gemini, but the issue with that is you're not able to upscale your images, you're not able to use the full extent. You guys can see all I can do is select the Nano AI image generation tool, and that is around it. However, if I want, I can go with the credit packs here, and I can also go with the subscription packs over here, which allow me full access to create high quality images, as well as get access to templates, standard generation speeds, and basic customer support as well. So if you want to purchase credits, their credit packs start at $30 and they go up to $800. With the credit packs, these credits are never going to expire. You can use them whenever. So if you are not intending to use it too much, then you can purchase a credit pack and your credits are going to be consistent and you can use them whenever you need them. However, if you want, you can go into the subscription plans. Now, I personally do prefer the subscription plan, and currently they are offering a limited time 50% discount. So on their Pro and Max version, if you choose to subscribe yearly, you can save 50%, but their monthly billing starts at $15 for their basic plan, $39 for their Pro, and $80 for their Max plan. Within their basic plan, they have 150 credits. Within their Pro plan, they have 800 credits, and within their Max plan, they have 1,600 credits. Now, this can also be utilized for other things, including creating custom fonts and custom aesthetics and mood boards. You can also use this to bring your drawings to reality. So if you have a drawing, you can ask the Nano AI image editor to create a hyper-realistic version of your drawing. You can also use this for complex video tools. So you can ask to generate a different POV of the same images and merge those images together to create your own video shots as well. You can use it to upscale images, and you can also use it to remove any backgrounds, edit the colors. You can also use this for generating hyper-realistic thumbnails, as well as finding different interior design ideas. You can use this for cosmetic photography, as well as creating UGC content, changing the color of clothing, and many other use cases. So it truly is an easy to use, free, and diverse tool. Now, if you want to get started, I recommend starting with the 2.5 Flash, and then once you have used the 2.5 Flash and you understand if the capabilities suit you, you can upgrade it with their full subscription plan. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.